Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn stopwatch functionality in JavaScript. It's a very simple and easy to implement in your project, the stopwatch project. Let's see here how it is. See the functionality, I'll explain you first, then we'll go in detail of how the code is implemented. Let's see. When I am hitting a button called start, the watch is initiated. How it is initiated? The counter. And if I want to stop this, like see, just stop it. And if I want to again start, just start it and stop it. Likewise, based on your condition and in your action, it is going to be performing the output. Now, if I want to reset this complete the timer, just press the reset. Now it is baking to 0. How it is very simple and easiest technique is implemented over here. Now, if you want to again start from the beginning and stop, reset. Like three buttons are implemented. Wherever, if it is in a 0 position, yes, if you are pressing 0 always, and stop means yes, it is already stopped, so you need not to press this. If you are pressed, it will be skipped. And if it is 0 position, yes, you can press. And already it is initiated. If you are again you are pressing, it won't be considered. It is already started. So either reset and stop position, then only it will be initiated. How many conditions are involved in this simple project? Let's see and go with the elaboration of the code. Either you can go with by right click and view page source. Go with see the complete entire page how it is implemented the JavaScript and CSS and all, or else we can go with our Sublime editor and open the project and see here. Very simple. See window on load itself. The function it is called on page load, the function to be loaded. So it is I have used a keyword of window dot onload. Whenever this page is called and the page is loading, so called this function is called and it will be displayed. Okay. Now see here how it is. Where is defined as 0 seconds, 10 seconds, and append 10 seconds bottom, and all the get element by IDs it is designed and called here. You see many wonders you will see here, and intervals and button start click is in a function is called button start button and stop button and reset button. Three independent functions are defined. What it is saying? Button start it is saying that start timer it's a set intervals of these things. And button, what is this button? It is stop. Set interval it is to be stopped. And a set interval means what to be performed while running the clock. Okay. Now see here clear interval. Clear interval whenever it is required to clear. Before start, it is going to be clearing and initiating. See, and this thing it is in a reset. It's going to be 0, 0, and appending the tens and appending the score of the seconds. It's almost all are zeros. See, this is the start time function. Start timer, set intervals, and it is going to be tens plus plus. If the tens is less than 9, then only it will be like 0. If it is 10, it is the position, it will be added the 0. If less than 10, it will be always showing 2-digit. No, you may observe here like reset 2-digit it is showing. So it is if it is less than 9, it is like see if it is a 9 also like 0 it is appended here. How it is possible? Everything we should take in a capture of every digit. Like it is taken 0 is appending there. Like above 9 it's not required. It automatically it move to the 10. The 99 if it is making to more 0. See, that is the way we have to take all the actions of the script running intervals. And here it is an applied for styles only. You can observe that what are the styles it is applied by changing all the things. The body of the page, like a background orange, and then these are the font family we have applied, and the wrappers, and H1, H2, H3 tags, three buttons we have used hopefully there. And what are the respective H1, H2, H3 tags? It will be applied for the styles. And the buttons, three buttons will have the same functionality. So it is included the things of the corners and all the things. Three buttons will be looks like this. And going to the three buttons, the button text it is displaying like start, stop, and reset. The ID, button stop, button reset, and button underscore start, three things. And the seconds, it is only for, you know, that a div tag, it is for the design for the displaying of the context of this page. This is how it is easy to implement for JavaScript with the functions of timer. You will get this all the code, and you try to practice more and more with different type of examples. I wish you to practice more and more to have a good key understanding of this JavaScript. All right, see here, and the three functions are defined here, and I'm making a start function, and making the zeros facility functionality here it is implemented. That's all. This, you know, that these are the styles, and this is the front end form, which is this is also CSS. This is the front end HTML form which is applied to like a look and feel to be displayed. This is how you are going to be learn JavaScript very quickly. Try to apply these things. You will have in a the basic points, you will get in a great understanding of JavaScript. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.